Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best F250 headlights is probably one of the most crucial components for your 2006 Ford F250, ensuring both safety and visibility on the road. Upgrading your headlights not only enhances the truck's appearance but also significantly improves your ability to see and be seen, especially during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. This review will guide you through the top choices. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Ford F250 F350. This headlight assembly is compatible with 2005 to 2007 Ford F250 F350 F450 F550 Super Duty and 2005 Ford Excursion US models. It's designed specifically for these vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit. Please note that bulbs are not included. The assembly is fully sealed with solid silicon and features one-way vents. This design prevents moisture from entering the housing, eliminating corrosion concerns. You can rely on it in various weather conditions. The metallic parabolic reflectors inside provide increased light output. This results in a broader and smoother beam, improving visibility. It will significantly enhance your night driving experience. The side microprism reflector makes your vehicle more noticeable to other drivers. This feature enhances safety by ensuring that others can quickly see you at night. It helps to keep you and others safe on the road. The polycarbonate lens and tough housing are built to withstand impact and vibration. This ensures the product's durability, even on rough roads. Professional installation is highly recommended for optimal performance. What we like. This headlight assembly provides a broader and smoother beam, thanks to its metallic parabolic reflectors. It also features a safety reflector to make you more visible at night. If you frequently drive in areas with poor lighting or encounter challenging weather conditions, this headlight assembly is an excellent choice for enhanced visibility and safety. What people say. They look great, they appear to be well made, installed very easy, 15 minutes each. Note that I removed the grill first as I also changed it, grill off in 5 minutes. All light sockets were a perfect fit, mounting holes position was perfect, everything was great. The lenses and reflectors are crystal clear and distortion-free. The black housings look much cooler than I thought they would, a little more modern, a little more sinister but understated enough like it might be factory. No problemo on the install, hard to reach the connectors, had to flex the grille to get them in out, exactly the same as factory units in that regard. Number 4. OEDRO Headlight Assembly for Ford F250 F350 F450 F550. These OEDRO headlights are designed for 2005 to 2007 Ford F250, F350, F450, F550 Super Duty, and 2005 Excursion models. Please note that it is not compatible with sealed beam headlight models. It uses H13 bulbs, which are not included. The lights minimize glare, enhancing visibility at night. The stylish microprism reflectors make it easier for you to see other cars and pedestrians. The headlight assembly features a clear polycarbonate lens and a durable PC housing. This combination provides excellent resistance to heat, vibration, and dust. It's completely sealed with solid silicon and includes a one-way vent to manage moisture. This design helps prevent corrosion and fogging, extending the lifespan of the product. Installation is straightforward, requiring no modifications, cutting, or drilling. The assembly functions just like the original headlights, but professional installation is recommended for the best results. What we like. OEDRO headlights minimize glare and feature microprism reflectors for enhanced visibility. They are built with premium materials for durability and are easy to install. If you are looking for a balance of safety, style, and ease of installation, this headlight assembly is a great option. What people say. These are honestly beautiful. If you're willing to work with them and properly do it, then the ending will be worth it. I sealed them, coated them in Meguiar's headlight coating spray to protect from turning yellow. I bought a pair of LEDs, which is a must. I'm using Firehawk 2022 new H7 LED bulbs from Amazon in these, and they work great and are bright. Number 3. PIT 66 LED headlights for Ford F250 F350 F450 F550. These headlights are designed for your Ford F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty models from 2005 to 2007, and the 2005 Ford Excursion. They feature LED DRL for improved visibility. This upgrade makes your vehicle stand out. These headlights are a direct replacement for your existing ones. They are compatible with specific Ford models, ensuring a perfect fit. You can find the reference part numbers listed for easy identification. The upgraded headlight assembly includes LED DRL and special chrome plating. This design increases brightness and provides an ultra-wide angle. It makes the vehicle more special. The microprism reflector and chrome finish enhance light reflectivity. This makes it easier for other drivers to see you at night. The one-way vent design helps to prevent moisture buildup, extending the lifespan of the lights. The fully sealed housing is made of high-quality plastic. This ensures excellent weather resistance, impact resistance, and long-lasting durability. Installation is straightforward, and a complete set is included. These headlights are designed for easy installation. Professional installation is recommended, but the design ensures no gaps after fitting. The set includes both driver and passenger side lights, but bulbs are not included. What we like. This headlight assembly features LED DRL for brighter and cooler lighting, with increased reflectivity for safety. The sturdy ceiling structure ensures excellent weather resistance. If you like a modern look with enhanced visibility and durability, this is the perfect choice for your truck. What people say. They function great after installing. Gives the truck a updated look. I like that the factory bulbs fit. The clarity driving at night is fantastic, easily adjustable. Fitment is spot on, little gap on passenger side fender. Number 2. Nilight headlight assembly for Ford F-Series Super Duty. Tired of complicated installations? These headlights feature a plug-and-play design, meaning no modifications or drilling are needed. You can have them installed in just 15 minutes. Designed specifically for 2005 to 2007 Ford F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty models, these headlights meet OE standards. They are a perfect fit for your vehicle. These headlights are IP65 rated and completely sealed to prevent moisture from entering. A ventilation hole regulates the temperature, preventing fogging and ensuring the lights stay bright and clear. See the road ahead with confidence. These headlights provide clearer and longer vision, helping you spot obstacles like deer or falling rocks in advance. This enhances safety for you and others. These headlights are DOT and SAE compliant, ensuring safety for you and oncoming drivers. They also include an adjusting screw, allowing you to fine-tune the beam level for a perfect fit. The package includes both the driver's and passenger's side headlights. Bulbs are not included. Replace your old headlights and save on the cost and hassle of refurbishment. What we like. These headlights offer a plug-and-play design for easy installation and are fully sealed to prevent moisture. They are also DOT compliant, ensuring safety. If you value ease of installation and want to ensure your headlights meet safety standards, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The headlights fit like they should. They were also easy to install, had all the necessary parts with it. Fit perfect and look great. Nice and clear. Number 1. JSBOYAT headlight assembly for Ford F250, F350, F450, F550. This headlight assembly is compatible with 2005 to 2007 Ford F250, F350, F450, F550 Super Duty, and 2005 Ford Excursion models. It's designed for US model only. Please note that bulbs are not included. The headlight is constructed with a heavy-duty, fully sealed housing made of high-quality polycarbonate plastic. It's waterproof up to IP65, ensuring excellent weather and impact resistance. This ensures the light provides bright lighting. Made with materials that meet or exceed OEM requirements, the microprism reflectors and chrome finishes increase light reflectivity. This makes it easier for other vehicles to notice you at night, giving you a safer driving experience. Installation is plug-and-play, with a direct bolt-on OE fitment. No modifications or drilling are required. While installation instructions are not included, professional installation is highly recommended. New lenses and reflectors provide better lighting, ensuring a pleasant and comfortable driving experience. This improves visibility, making driving safer and more enjoyable. What we like. This headlight assembly is constructed with premium, durable materials and features microprism reflectors for increased visibility. Installation is straightforward with its plug-and-play design. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install headlight assembly that prioritizes safety, this is a great option. What people say. Looks nice and direct fit. Got rid of the old dingy ones and installed these, which cleaned up the front end nicely. They arrived quickly, bolt right up to the factory mounting holes, and are much brighter with a great focus to the beam emitted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.